Hi, do you know what is most important in learning spoken English? Is it watching YouTube videos? Is it listening English or reading English? Yes, but above all, it's practicing speaking English. आज की वीडियो में हम ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे जो आप अक्सर सुन रहे हैं, लेकिन इंग्लिश सीखने की कंडीशन ये है कि आप इन सेंटेंसेस को बोलने की प्रैक्टिस करिए। तो चलिए प्रैक्टिस करते हैं कुछ हेल्थ और एलिमेंट से रिलेटेड सेंटेंसेस की। These days, doctors are minting money. I am feeling feverish and sneezing too. Can I take a day off from school today? You have got a sprain in the ankle. You must consult any physician. My sister has chronic fever. Chronic is called when we talk about something old or severe. She must take some days off. She is having sore throat also. My throat really hurts at the moment. Can you check my temperature? Yesterday she was slightly feverish. I am afraid she is not in the pink of health. In the pink of is an idiom which means in good health. The patient is out of danger now, but you need to take good care of him. Many have kicked the bucket recently. Avoid being in contact with others. Here, kick the bucket is a phrase which means to die. We need to protect ourselves against this virus. It's fatal and deadly. So, fatal and deadly both can be used when something is very dangerous and need to be protected. I have got a headache due to overwork. My feet are also swollen due to remain standing for long. It's becoming harder for her to breathe. Everyone must try to limit the transmission of coronavirus. Many are stocking up on groceries and other eatables. Keep wearing mask. Soon you will be habituated to wear it. I am extremely tired and going to take little rest. My nose is also running. We can reduce our chances of being infected. Recently, my uncle tested positive. How long have you had these symptoms? I have been fighting a cold for a week. I have come for a checkup for a suspected case of coronavirus. Let me examine, or we can say, let me check. Open your mouth wide. This medicine will make you feel drowsy. I hope you will have smooth experience going through these tests. And the last sentence is, if possible, hunker down yourself at home. This virus is contagious. Contagious, which can be spread, and hunker down can be used when you confine something. So we can practice all these sentences at home and we can make our English fluent. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.